How to fix network errors in CapCut, especially when you're searching for effects or transitions. It may show up in these pages right here. So first you'll need to close CapCut and it should bring you to the home screen right here. Now click on settings and then click on settings again. And where it says cache size, you want to click on the trash icon next to it to clear the cache files and wait for it to remove it. Now once this is done, you can press save. And then you will need to close CapCut completely. Next, you will need to check that your network is properly functioning and it's not the problem is not being caused by poor internet connection. And then you want to open up the internet settings and click on change adapter options. Right click on your active adapter and then open up the properties. It might be Ethernet via cable or Wi-Fi. And then it's pretty much the same steps. Go to IPv4, which is this one, double click on it. And then go to the DNS server and click on use the following DNS server and then switch it to 8888 on the preferred DNS server. And then for the alternate DNS, it's going to be 8.8.4.4. Then press OK. Press OK again and wait for it to apply the changes. Now, once this is done, you can close out of this window and then open up CapCut again as administrator. Right click on CapCut, run as admin, and then you can open up your project and it should fix the issues where you have network errors in these tabs right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful and see you in the next one.